Hi, my name is Bill Crum with the Oklahoman. With the election coming up on November 4th, I thought I'd share with you a really convenient way to cast your ballot. I tried it recently, had no idea it was as easy as it is. It's vote by mail. Not very many people know about it. Here's how it works. When I had to update my address at the county election board in Norman, I asked if I could vote by mail, and they said yes. They gave me an application. This is what it looks like. It's very simple, easy to fill out, just your name, your address, your mailing address, and you sign and date it. About 2 days later, in the mail, I got an envelope that looked like this, and inside that envelope, I had a set of instructions about how to vote by mail, a ballot. This is a sample ballot. It's not the real thing, but it looks very much like what I got. And 3 envelopes. There's one labeled ballots, one labeled affidavit, and then a return envelope that you send everything back in. So here's how it works. You get your ballot, sit down at the dining room table like I did, and you mark it, fill it out. One thing that you need to remember is that you want to fill it out with a blue or a black pen. Once you've filled out the ballot and you mark it here or in the little boxes, and you fill those all the way out. You don't make an X or a check mark or anything like that. You block them all in. Once that's done, you take it, stick it in the envelope that's marked ballots, and you seal it up. Mine's not folded very well, but you get the idea. Then, and this is kind of the tricky part, you have to have a notary public stamp your affidavit to prove that you are who you are. That's a step that some other states that have vote by mail don't require you to do, but here in Oklahoma you do have to do that. So you have an affidavit envelope inside your packet. You write down your name, you write down the county that you're in, you write down the date of the election, again in this case it's November 4th, and you sign and date it. You take it to a notary. The notary cannot charge you by law to stamp your affidavit. The notary will fill it out, stamp it, then you take your ballot, you put it inside the affidavit envelope, then you take your return envelope, you put the whole shebang in the return envelope, put your return address here, put a stamp here. I put 2 stamps on it because I wasn't sure that one stamp would do it. You can apply until October 29th for a mail-in ballot, which is also known as an absentee ballot here in Oklahoma. And the thing to remember is that you have to send it back by mail. You can't hand deliver it on election day because it won't count. The Oklahoma State Election Board website has tons of information and instructions about how to do it. It's easy, it's simple, it's fast, it saves you from having to wait in line at the polls on election day. I hope you can try it. It worked great for me. And for the Oklahoman, I'm Bill Crum.